Kecil itu terasa ini contoh sama kan dia nggak mau kecil itu terasa ini contoh sama kan dia nggak mau
Anyway, what I'm going to show you in a minute, I'm going to disappear, and you're going to have a quick 30-second clip of a sneak peek of my new podcast, which I recorded a couple of days ago. There is an here coming up after that, so stay tuned to it on the platform. And I really brought it. It's the first one, so bear with it. It's like an hour and 15 minutes long. It's basically me having a chat with some legends. It's ordinary people, including my dad is one of them. So I'll tell you a bit more about it and how to get hold of the West Banks of the channel after you've seen a little clip of a few brief highlights of it.